Orlando, a cultural and artistic melting pot for any traveler. Downtown, you'll find sculptures and paintings around every turn. The set of paintings you see here are on the side of a building and very hard to miss. The theme of these paintings show a traveling through time. Observing the visual components, you will find that as time shifts from the past to the present, the colors and tone of the images shift as well from dark to bright. You'll notice there is an affinity of tone using many dark colors, mainly brown, in the paintings from the past. In the paintings closer to the present, the hues become vibrant and use many bright colors, giving a contrast of tone. The visual component space is used through a one-point perspective, as though you are looking through a window through time. You will also see a size difference in the objects in each painting to give depth to the image. This use of visual components creates an astounding work of art. So take a walk around downtown Orlando and see it with your own eyes.